Electronic Stability Control, or ESC, is a crucial safety system in modern vehicles. This computerized system continuously monitors your vehicle's direction and compares it to your steering input to prevent dangerous situations. The ESC system works by automatically applying individual wheel brakes and reducing engine power when it detects that your vehicle is not going where you're steering. This prevents skidding and helps maintain control during emergency maneuvers. The ESC warning light on your dashboard communicates the system's status. Understanding what different light patterns mean is essential for your safety. A solid ESC light means the system is temporarily disabled or malfunctioning. This indicates a problem that needs attention. A flashing ESC light indicates the system is actively working to maintain your vehicle's stability. This is normal during slippery conditions or emergency maneuvers. An ESC off light means you have manually disabled the system using the ESC button. While this might be useful in certain situations like getting unstuck from snow, it's generally recommended to keep ESC enabled. When your ESC light comes on, it's usually caused by one of several common issues. Understanding these causes can help you communicate effectively with your mechanic. Faulty wheel speed sensors account for 40% of ESC light issues. These sensors monitor wheel rotation and are critical for the system's operation. Steering angle sensor malfunctions cause 25% of cases, while yaw rate sensor issues account for 15%. Brake system problems represent 10% of cases. The remaining causes include wiring harness damage and control module failures, each accounting for 5% of cases. Regardless of the cause, prompt attention is essential. Never ignore an ESC warning light. This system is designed to prevent dangerous situations like skidding and rollovers. A malfunctioning ESC system compromises your vehicle's safety and puts you and your passengers at risk. Address ESC issues promptly to maintain optimal vehicle safety. When your ESC light comes on, proper diagnosis is essential before attempting any reset. We'll walk through the systematic approach to identify and resolve ESC issues. Start with basic visual inspections. Check tire pressure, brake fluid level, and look for any obvious damage. These simple issues can trigger ESC warnings. Next, observe the light behavior carefully. Note whether it's solid, flashing, or intermittent, and when it appears during driving. For proper diagnosis, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. This tool reads fault codes that pinpoint the exact problem with your ESC system. Common ESC fault codes include C0035 through C040 for wheel speed sensors, C0196 for yaw rate sensor issues, C0545 for steering angle sensor problems, and C11095 for ABS hydraulic pump motor circuits. Once you've identified and fixed the root cause, you can reset the ESC light using three main methods. The first is using your OBD scanner to clear the codes. The second method is a manual reset. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Turn the steering wheel fully left, then fully right. Turn off the ignition, then restart the engine. The third method involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 15 to 30 minutes, then reconnecting it and performing a steering angle sensor calibration. Regardless of which reset method you use, always test drive the vehicle afterward to ensure the ESC system is functioning correctly and the warning light stays off.